So this game is called the skip, count, stack. Skip, count, skip, count. So what does it mean to skip count? This is how
like
to play
count,
the game.
but skip like one, but you skip the two.
Okay, but this is how we skip now. If I pick a number 2, that means we are skipping by 2. If I pick a number 4, that means we are skipping by 4. If you pick a number 10, that means we are skipping by 10. So
I don't understand.
Okay, for example, let's say, what number is this?
7.
So we are counting by 7. So I pick 7. If I say 7, you will say, no, you're not picking it. If I say 7, you will skip by 7. After 7, what's the next thing? That will be 7 plus 7, 14. So I will say 21. You will say 21 plus 7, 28. Yeah, I will say 35. Do you understand it now? Okay, no. So now let's go. So you'll be the first person to pick. If you like, go and pick 12. Yeah, let's go. Open it. Let's see what you picked. No. This is not part of. Okay, this is 20. Let's use it. Yeah, 20. You are starting, right?
20.
The next person. 40.
80. 60.
80.
120.
After 80, we are skipping by
100.
20. 120.
124.
You are out. I'm the winner. Because we are skipping by 20. I said 120, then you said 124. How come? How is that possible? That will be 120 plus 20.
140.
So I'm the winner. I will keep it because I'm the winner. So I'm picking now. I know this 20 is not supposed to be there. I pick 11. Yeah. 11.
22.
33.
44.
55.
66.
77.
88.
99.
111.
99 plus 11.
99 plus 11. 101. 101.
110.
You need to be 110.
Let me bring paper and pen so you can see it. So now write it down for you to be sure. 99. No, don't touch that. So 99 plus 11. Yeah, add it. I'm winning.
Say 100. 1 plus 10.
So what's that?
110.
So I'm the winner again. So pick.
I already know the number is going to be 4.
Because you already checked it. Why should you? That's cheating. Let's see. Can't you talk?
5.
10.
15.
20.
25.
30.
35.
40.
45.
50.
55.
60.
65.
70.
75.
80.
85.
90.
94.
100.
110.
110.
115.
120.
125.
130.
135.
140.
145.
150.
155.
160.
165.
170.
175.
180.
185.
190.
195.
200.
205.
210.
215.
220.
225.
230.
235.
240.
245.
250.
255.
260.
265.
270.
275.
280.
285.
I give you that. So now I'm picking. This is simple. 4.
8.
12. 12. Oh yeah.
12. 16.
20.
24.
28.
Is it next 32?
36.
Yes. 40.
44.
48.
52.
56.
60.
64.
66. Wait, oh. How did you get 64? Okay. 64.
And you said 66, but 64.
Who said 60? I said 60. Who said 64?
Me. And you said 66.
No. You said 66, then I said 70.
I thought you said 66.
No. Oh. Let's go again. Who started it? Me, right?
Yes.
4.
8.
16. I'm sorry, 12.
14. And 16.
20.
24.
28.
32. 32.
36.
40.
44.
48.
52.
56.
60.
64.
60. Oh. 68.
72.
So I was the one who made the mistake the other time. So you will. Yeah, pick your card.
1,
2,
3,
4, 6,
7.
8. You are too slow.
Need to
We are going again. Because it is 1. We need to be fast. Oh yeah. Anybody that if you don't answer it fast, we are doing it based on speed. Now if you don't answer it fast, then you are out. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12, 14.
13,
You see that you are slow. 14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19,
20,
20,
21.
22.
Ah! You have made a mistake. Who made a mistake? I was the one calling the even number. You were the one calling the odd number. So how come we switched? Who made the mistake?
I don't know.
So there is no winner here. So let me pick the last one. 2, 2,
4,
6.
8,
We have to be fast with this
8,
also.
8,
10,
12,
14,
16,
18,
20,
22,
24,
26,
28,
30,
32,
34,
36.
38. Too slow. I'm the winner. Oh, yeah.
How many cards do you have?
I have 4 cards.
I also have 4 cards.
So let's go one more. Oh, yeah, you pick a card now. Let's see the winner.
The last
No, I don't have 4 cards, so it was goodness that now. Okay, don't worry. The last one. Pick a smaller number so we can wrap up. Oh, okay.
8,
16.
12.
Winner! How is after 16? How do you have 12? I am a winner.
20.
20 after 16. 16 plus 8. Come on. 16 plus 8. That will be 24.